Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello and welcome to The Print. Today we have with us three Indians who are the winners of the Wikimedian of the Year Global Award Series, who have been recognized for their outstanding contribution to Wikipedia and other Wikimedia projects to provide free and accessible knowledge. On 15 August, during a virtual ceremony, Jimmy Wales, the founder of Wikipedia, announced the winners. Among the 7 awardees globally, 3 are Indians and they are today here with us. These awards aim to celebrate and welcome volunteers across the globe from different backgrounds and experiences who contribute their valuable time and skills. So first, I'd like to introduce these winners to you. We have Ms. Neta Hussain, the Honorable Mention Award winner, Mr. Jay Prakash, the first ever Tech Innovator of the Year awardee, and Ms. Ananya Mondal, the Rich Media Award winner. So first of all, thank you so much and congratulations to all of you and welcome to The Print. So let's first know from all these three winners, how are they feeling about this award? I'll come to you, Neta, first. What does this award mean to you, and especially given the fact that 7 people globally were awarded and 3 were Indians?
Yeah, I feel very honored to be awarded the Wikimedian of the Year honorable mention this year. It was quite unexpected, but so it was Jimmy who rang me up one day unexpectedly and said that I have this mention for my work related to COVID-19 on Wikipedia. It was a real surprise. And I think this also means that I have bigger responsibilities now. I have more press visibility. I have more visibility in the Wikimedia community. And my future journey will be looked upon by very many of my peers. So I think that on being a recognition, it's also a huge responsibility that I have to embark upon.
Okay, so I would like to know how your journey as a volunteer started. What motivated you to contribute to Wikimedia and Wikipedia projects as a volunteer, and especially having a full-time job as you're a doctor yourself? How did it begin?
I started editing Wikipedia in 2010. At that time, I saw that in Malayalam Wikipedia, there was not enough articles related to medicine and healthcare. And I began by writing those articles. And then I figured out that, well, on English Wikipedia as well, there are certain knowledge gaps, particularly in healthcare topics. So I decided that, yes, I will also contribute to English Wikipedia in articles related to medicine. This I did for a long time. And then I also realized from my peers that only at that time, it was only 15% of all contributors who were women, and only 15% of all biography articles were about women. So I decided that I had to do something about it. And I wrote about women journalists, women parliamentarians, women scientists, and so forth, just to increase the representation of women on Wiki, in terms of content, as well as participation on Wikipedia. So this went on for a long time, and it was then that the COVID-19 pandemic happened. And at that time, I was a researcher. I was researching in neuroscience. And then I found myself in a unique position where I could use my knowledge from my research as well as my Wikipedia expertise to write articles related to COVID-19. So I was more interested in writing articles about the impact of the pandemic on mental health, on different social issues, on the gendered impact of the pandemic, social stigma related to the pandemic, and also a lot about misinformation, how misinformation spreads during the pandemic, and what are the popular misinformation that goes around in social media. So these are the things I wrote. And Jimmy recognized me with the Honorable Mention Award, not only for my COVID-19 work, but also the work surrounding gender gap that I did.
Do you remember any particular moment throughout your journey as a volunteer, and especially during the pandemic, when you realized the kind of impact that you're creating through your time and your contribution?
Yeah, definitely. There is a short story like that I would like to share. So once I read a news report about an Indian family who ate a poisonous fruit called datura, thinking that eating it will prevent them from getting COVID-19. So they found this information on social media, and the whole family believed it. They ate the fruit, and all of them were hospitalized. So this made me think about, as a medical doctor, it was so painful for me that people get this falsified information and they act upon it. So I wanted to do something about it, and it was then that I started an article about a list of falsified products against COVID-19. So this is a list of all those medications that don't really work against COVID-19, but are presented in popular media as cure for COVID-19. So I created that article and included the Datura topic also in that article. And now that article has expanded very much. And I'm quite proud about how the whole misinformation area on regarding COVID-19 developed on English Wikipedia.
All right. Let's move on to Jay Prakash. जय, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस अभी कैसा रहा है और कैसा लगा आपको कि जब आपको पता चला कि 7 पूरी दुनिया के जो लोग चुने गए उनमें से एक आप भी हैं जिनका कंट्रीब्यूशन को सराहा गया और रिकॉग्नाइज किया गया।
तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं रहा था। मुझे पता भी नहीं था, मुझे केवल जो विकीमीडिया के सीनियर कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजर हैं उनकी तरफ से एक कॉल आया था कि आपका हम इंटरव्यू लेना चाहते हैं क्योंकि आपने काफ़ी अच्छा वर्क किया है इंडिक कम्युनिटी में। तो मैंने सोचा कि ये एक रेगुलर कॉल होगा, वो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जानना चाहेंगे, बट सडनली यह जो फाउंडर हैं विकीपीडिया के वो एकदम से कॉल में ज्वाइन हुए थे और उन्होंने मुझे सरप्राइज दिया था कि हाँ, यू आर द वन ऑफ द 7% हु विल बी द विकीमीडियंस ऑफ द ईयर दिस ईयर।
मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी कि आप इस अपनी पूरी जो जर्नी के दौरान, अपनी वॉलंटियर जर्नी के दौरान आपको बहुत सारे पड़ाव आए और इसकी वजह से भी आप अपनी जगह से बाहर निकले। आप जैसे चंडीगढ़ पहली बार आए थे और वो आपके लिए पहला एक मेट्रो सिटी का एक्सपीरियंस था, तो उसके बारे में आप कुछ बताइए कि वो कैसा रहा सफर।
मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता। मैं जो हूँ वो बहुत काफ़ी छोटी सिटी से आता हूँ जो कि उत्तर प्रदेश में पड़ता है, रामपुर, जिसका आपने नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा। तो वहाँ पर ये सब कुछ नहीं होता, जैसे कैब और बड़े बड़े होटल्स, ये कुछ भी नहीं होते थे वहाँ पर जब मैं पहली बार विकीमीडिया के एक इवेंट में गया तब मुझे पता चला कि हाँ, कि यहाँ की जो शहरी लाइफ है वो तो काफ़ी अलग है हमारे टाउन से। तो वो तो एकदम से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस पूरा बदल गया था कि हाँ, ये वर्ल्ड काफ़ी बड़ा है और काफ़ी सारी नई चीज़ें हैं जो जानने के लिए हैं, सीखने के लिए हैं।
तो आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन के बारे में आप कुछ बताइए कि किस तरह से आपने जो टेक इनोवेटर का आपको अवार्ड मिला है, आपने किस तरह से विकिपीडिया प्रोजेक्ट्स में अपना सहयोग दिया है।
तो मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है जैसे कि भारत ने मंगलयान मिशन किया था, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे स्पेस में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट आ गया था। तो फिर मैं सोवियत स्पेस प्रोग्राम के बारे में काफ़ी पढ़ता रहता था। तो एक दिन मैं हिंदी विकिपीडिया पे गया जहाँ पर बहुत कम आर्टिकल्स थे स्पेस से रिलेटेड, इवन चंद्रयान के बारे में भी काफ़ी कम लिखा हुआ था। तो मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, मुझे एक्सपेंड करना चाहिए क्योंकि इससे मैं पढ़ता तो था ही सारे आर्टिकल्स, तो उनको कन्वर्ट करने से मुझे मतलब थोड़ी इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव होती थी और स्पेस आर्टिकल भी बन जाते थे। तो मैंने लगभग 2 साल एडिटिंग की थी 2015 से 2017। बट 2017 में मेरा जो बैकग्राउंड था वो एक टेक्निकल था, मैं कोडिंग करता था। तो मैंने सोचा कि नहीं, आज विकीमीडिया का एक प्रोजेक्ट है मीडिया विकी, तो मैंने वहाँ पर टेक्निकल जो प्रोग्रामिंग थी वो शुरू की थी और फिर विदिन 1 ईयर मैं इतना सीख गया था कि हाँ, मैं अच्छी खासी लेवल पर कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकता था। बट इंडिक कम्युनिटी में टीटो दत्ता नाम के एक पर्सन है, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि आप जो कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो वो अच्छा है, लेकिन अगर आप इंडिक कम्युनिटी के लिए कंट्रीब्यूशन करोगे तो वो और भी अच्छा है क्योंकि वो डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट देगा इंडिक कम्युनिटीज को। क्योंकि पहले मैं जो वर्क करता था वो एक ग्लोबल लेवल पे वर्क करता था जिसका इंडिक कम्युनिटी पे डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट नहीं होता था। तो जब टीटो दत्ता से मेरी बात हुई थी, उन्होंने मुझे पूरा समझाया था, तो उसके बाद मैंने सीधे ही इंडिक लैंग्वेजेस के इश्यूज पे वर्क करना शुरू कर दिया था और मैंने काफ़ी टूल्स बनाए जो कि काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहे थे इंडिक कम्युनिटी पे।
तो अभी जो इंडिक कम्युनिटी है इसमें आप कौन कौन सी भाषाओं में आप जो है कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, वॉलंटियर करते हैं?
नहीं, ये हमारा एक टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट है, तो अगर हम किसी भी एक लैंग्वेज पे वर्क करते हैं तो वो सारी लैंग्वेजेस पे वर्क कर देगा। जैसे अगर हम एक टूल बनाते हैं तो हम ये ध्यान रखते हैं कि हाँ, वो सारी लैंग्वेजेस पे वर्क करे क्योंकि पूरा मीडिया विकी का स्ट्रक्चर एक जैसा ही है। अगर आप हिंदी विकीपीडिया पे वर्क करते हैं या भोजपुरी विकीपीडिया पे, तो दोनों का स्ट्रक्चर सेम है। तो अगर एक बार आप टूल बनाते हो तो वो सारी भाषाओं के लिए वर्क करेगा, जितनी भी इंडिक लैंग्वेज है।
जी, okay, now let's move on to Ananya. Ananya, hi, I got to know that you are known as Butterfly Wikimedian. This is a very interesting title and it is also related to your work. So I would like to know from you what's the story behind this title and what has been your contribution?
Okay. Uh, Actually, I initiated a project. It's called Wikilabs Butterfly. The project is emphasized on the specially butterfly species which are found in West Bengal, which is my hometown, and uh, and the northeast part of India. That means Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland, etc. So first in 2016, we only consider West Bengal. Afterwards, we move into West Bengal and also the northeast part of India, and collecting the photographs of butterfly species and subspecies, and contributed to Wikimedia Commons, and also created article in Bengali and English Wikipedia, and sometime we also contribute in Wikispecies and Wikidata about this data uh, about this data in Wikidata and Wikispecies also.
Okay. So how did you start your journey? How did it all begin?
Actually, I started Wikipedia. I joined Wikipedia in 2015. What happened? Previously, I am doing the trekking, camping, and rock climbing like that. And in one program, I met with a person. He is also a active Wikipedia contributor, and he told me about Wikipedia and all. But unfortunately, they did not continue their journey. I continued. It's a afterwards, that time I edited in a subject related with nutrition and women in sports like that. Afterwards, I discovered that the butterfly article is missing in my home language, that is Bengali language. Then I started uh, writing article in Bengali Wikipedia. Then I also discovered that the images is not sufficient. So, and that time I also start contributing to put images in Wikimedia Commons.
So you photograph those butterflies yourself. You take these images and then so you're a
Yes.
photographer as well.
Previously I do that. Then I realized that it's not a one man work. I need lots of people, and I need awareness and uh, awareness and all this. Then I started doing outreach among the student, and uh, then they start also contributing in this project Wikilabs Butterfly, and now we have 15 plus active contributors who are regularly contributing images, and they also creating articles regarding butterfly.
Okay, all right. So I'll come back to Nita. Uh, so as volunteers, there are no monetary benefits, if I am not wrong. Uh, so what is this that keeps you motivated and keeps you going? And you are managing your full-time jobs or other commitments as well, and you're volunteering here as well. So what is this passion for the volunteering that you do?
Yes, I'm a medical doctor and I see patients every day. And it's sometimes very heartbreaking to see that they go for false information. Otherwise, they look up something on the internet which is untrue, or they stop taking their medications because of a neighbor or somebody else told them that this medicine doesn't work and so forth. So I not only wanted to educate my patients on a personal level, but wanted to share this information on a larger platform. So if I would write a blog post, for example, it will have only limited visibility. On the other hand, if I contribute to Wikipedia, it's a very popular platform. and everybody will read it. And these days, there is also a trend that people have distrust in traditional institutions, and they want to do research on their own. And when they do research on their own, they go first to Wikipedia, and then they start reading the relevant article there. And if those articles are not complete, they are likely to go further into social media and some other platforms which are much more unreliable. So I wanted to make sure that everybody across the world, wherever, I mean, regardless of their geographical location or background, their age or nationality, they should be able to access good information related to healthcare. And Wikipedia is one of the ways for fulfilling that goal that I have. And secondly, it's also the satisfaction of having done something worthwhile. So I do treat my patients for a living, but if I have to do something beyond that, then that is Wikipedia that keeps me going. And thirdly, on Wikipedia, I have possibilities to do a lot of work. It's not only content creation, but I can take images related to certain medical conditions. I can upload data related to certain medical articles on Wikidata, the sister project of Wikipedia. I can put in quotes. I can write free books. So there are lots of possibilities. I can create partnerships. And one of the recent partnerships that we created was with the World Health Organization. So these high impact things can be done through Wikipedia. And the satisfaction of having explored different things and understood different ideas, it also keeps me going. And finally, it's also the very vibrant community that all Ananya and Jay are also a part of. We have a very large, vibrant and diverse community across the globe, and all of them are special in their own ways. And it's always fun to talk with another Wikimedian and get inspiration from them. So these are all the motivations that keeps me going with my Wikipedia journey.
I have the same question for Ananya and Jay as well. Ananya, would you like to talk about what is your personal motivation behind volunteering?
First of all, it's a knowledge sharing platform, so it's attract me more that in a very quick time and quick impact we can share knowledge through globally and all this. But nowadays Wikipedia become what can I say? Like if I feeling sad, I do editing. If I feeling happy things, then okay, let's do some Wikipedia like that. Nowadays, actually, I love Wikipedia.
मेरा आपसे भी कुछ सिमिलर सवाल है, और वो ये भी है, और साथ ही ये भी पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपकी पर्सनल ग्रोथ में विकिपीडिया ने किस तरह से हेल्प किया, यानी आपकी जो पूरी वॉलंटियर जर्नी रही, इसने आपको पर्सनली और करियर वाइज किस तरह से हेल्प किया?
हाँ, तो मेरी सबसे बड़ी मोटिवेशन जो थी विकिपीडिया में कंट्रीब्यूट करने की, वो ये थी कि जब भी मैं कुछ कोडिंग करता था या कुछ प्रोग्राम बनाता था, तो वो एक मतलब जब डिप्लॉय होता था विकिपीडिया पे, तो उसको लगभग करोड़ों लोग यूज करते थे। तो वो एक सबसे बड़ी मोटिवेशन थी मेरे लिए कि हाँ, कि मेरे द्वारा किए गए चेंजेस जो हैं वो विकिपीडिया में करोड़ों लोगों द्वारा, मतलब जो देखते हैं विकिपीडिया यूज करते हैं, वहाँ पर डिप्लॉय हो रहा है। तो ये एक खुद में एक सबसे बड़ी बात होती है कि हाँ, आपके किए गए चेंजेस जो है काफ़ी लोगों को इम्पैक्ट कर रहे हैं। बट मेरा प्रोफेशनली विकिपीडिया में काफ़ी ग्रोथ हुआ है, क्योंकि जब मेरे नेटवर्क बने थे और मैंने जब ये मीडिया विकी का जो पूरा फ्रेमवर्क था जिसपे विकिपीडिया बना हुआ है, तो उसको मैंने काफ़ी एक्सप्लोर किया, लर्न किया। तो उसके बाद मुझे स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से एक वो आया था ऑफर के हमें भी सिमिलर, मतलब अपना जो एजुकेशन का डैशबोर्ड है वो इंटीग्रेट करना है मीडिया विकी साइट में। तब मैंने वहाँ पे वर्क किया था। उसके बाद में इस समय मैं एक लंदन बेस्ड कंपनी है, वहाँ पर मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ। तो प्रोफेशनली इसने मुझे काफ़ी हेल्प किया है विकिपीडिया।
Okay, another question, and it's again for all three of you. Ki how has the reaction of your families or friends around you changed? Was there some sort of suspicion or inhibitions when you started your journey, like why are you contributing so much time or something like that? And has it changed, especially after you guys won this award? Any of you can begin.
तो मेरे घर पे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट वैसे हुआ नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे मम्मी पापा मतलब ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे नहीं है, तो उनको पता नहीं है कि हाँ कि विकिपीडिया क्या है, तो वहाँ ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं हुआ। पर जो दोस्तों को पता चला था उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा रिएक्शन दिया था मुझे, जो मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए।
Okay, Neta?
To begin with, I am a very free person. So I do whatever I want, regardless of what others think about it. So to begin with, I did not really care about how others would take it. But my family, of course, I remember that they have been very supportive. I remember that when I made one of my first edits, I talked with my mother and she was like, wow, you can edit that website. So yeah, at least there was no resistance from anyone. And when I was in school, I was also medical school, I was also quite popular because I edited some of the healthcare related articles. And when people submitted their projects, they sometimes used to look up Wikipedia and would see my edits up over there. So that was something fun. So after the award, I don't think anything really changed. I'm very thankful for all the congratulatory messages that I received from different parts of the world, not only from my family and friends, but also from my larger extended Wikimedia family. Yes, and as I said, yes, it's going to be a huge responsibility to take this forward, being in the spotlight and contribute to Wikipedia. So yeah, to summarize my answer, it has been the same all the way, but I think it's only my passion that increased day by day.
Wonderful. Ananya, has anything changed for you during this journey?
No, actually, everything like same because as Netha said, I am also the free person, so no one stop me what I want to start or want to do. But my family, my husband, they are also supportive because what happened when we are going for the field work in the jungle and national forest, that time for 5 to 7 days we are just unable to talk with the family due to the poor network or there is no network. That time they become also supportive. They did not stop me that don't go there, don't go the project. They never said that. And after receiving this award, it's really the responsible is also increases. I think all are supportive. Actually, the community member of the Bengali West Bengal Wikimedians user group, they're all community member. All are supportive actually.
So again, this question is to all three of you. I want to ask if there are any, anyone, young students or people watching this interview and who are motivated to contribute and volunteer. What would you like to say to them? Any of you?
I can take it. Yes, if there would be a young, curious, passionate person who wants to contribute to Wikipedia or like volunteer to one of the sister projects of Wikipedia, I will be very happy. And I think it's one of the important things is that they would need mentorship to begin with. So it will be, I would advise them to find suitable mentors. If they're contributing in a specific Indian language Wikipedia, then it would be nice to find some experienced editors in that language who can mentor them. Secondly, it's also about finding your passion within Wikimedia. There are lots of things you can do. You can do outreach, you can write code like Jay does, you can take photographs like Ananya does. You can write content. You can also go to institutes and create partnerships. You can strategize for the Wikimedia Foundation, the Wikimedia movement in general. And you can involve in communications, write blog posts, conduct editathons, events where you train other people to edit. So there are lots of ways to get involved. And I would like to tell them that to find their niche area, the area where they are most passionate about, and continue doing that. So if you volunteer for the sake of volunteering, you might feel tired, you might feel burned out after some time. So I think there should be something challenging every day for you to look forward to if you are volunteering, and that therefore it's very important that you find your niche area, whether it be content creation or taking photographs or writing code. So find your niche area in the beginning, get suitable mentors, talk with the community, and find your way through is what I would like to say.
Jay, is there anything that you would like to add?
हाँ, तो मैं जब भी मतलब लोगों को बताता था कि हाँ मैं विकिपीडिया में एडिट करता हूँ या विकिमीडिया में कंट्रीब्यूट करता हूँ, तो सभी का जो पहला क्वेश्चन होता था ना, वो यही होता था कि तुम्हें रुपए कितने मिलते हैं, कितने पैसे कमाते हो तुम विकिपीडिया से। पर जब मैं उनको बोलता था कि मैं ये सब फ्री में करता हूँ, तो सब लोग बोलते थे कि नहीं तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो, तुम पैसे कमाते हो। मतलब ये काफी लोगों की मिथ होती है कि हाँ पैसे से काफी सारी चीजें होती हैं। क्योंकि देखिए एक पैशन भी एक चीज होती है, और एक एफिलिएशन के आप विकीमीडिया फाउंडेशन जैसी एक बड़ी संस्था के साथ जुड़े हुए हो, ये अपने आप में एक खुशी देता है। वो पैसे से आप कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते। आप एक इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो इतनी बड़े स्तर पर है, उनके साथ आप वर्क कर रहे हो, तो इसके सामने पैसा इतना मायने नहीं रखता है। पैशन और आप जो एप्रिसिएशन और लव मिलता है कम्युनिटी से, वो भी एक काफी बड़ी बात है।
All right. Thank you so much for giving your time, and it was